In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to effectively add a discount to an invoice in QuickBooks Online. Whether you're running a small business or managing a larger operation, knowing how to apply discounts correctly can be a valuable tool for managing customer relationships and maintaining financial accuracy. To start, open your preferred web browser and navigate to the QuickBooks Online sign-in page at qbo.intuit.com. Once there, enter your login credentials and access your account. If you're not quite sure where to begin in QuickBooks, don't worry. I'll walk you through each step of the process. Now that we're signed in, let's focus on how to create or open an invoice so that we can apply the discount. If you are generating a new invoice from scratch, you'll want to click on the plus new button, usually located at the top of your dashboard. From the drop-down menu, select Invoice. However, if you're looking to apply a discount to an invoice you've already created, head over to Sales, then navigate to the Invoices section. There, you can browse and select the existing invoice that you're ready to work on. On the invoice screen, you'll start by entering the essential details like the customer's name, the date of the transaction, and any line items that represent the products or services you are billing for. Now, here's the part where we incorporate the discount. QuickBooks Online doesn't feature a dedicated discount field on its invoices. So instead, you will add what we call a discount line as a negative line item. This involves some simple steps. First, click in the product or service section, and you can choose to add a new line or select an existing discount item if you've set this up before. If this is your first time adding a discount, you'll need to create a new item. Click on plus add new and then select service. Now comes the naming. You should name this new service item discount, something straightforward that will serve as a clear indicator. Then focus on setting up the correct income account. Here you'll want to link it to something like discounts given or use a similar term that fits your financial practices. Save this setup to keep everything organized for future use. When it comes to entering the discount amount, make sure to type it in as a negative number. For instance, if you're aiming to deduct $50 from the total, enter +50. This negative entry ensures that the overall invoice total adjusts automatically, reflecting the discounted amount accurately. Finally, you'll want to decide what action to take with your completed invoice. If you're ready to send it directly to your customer, click on Save and Send, which will email it promptly. Alternatively, if you're preparing the invoice but want to hold off on sending it, use the Save and Close option to keep it on file without immediate distribution. And that's all there is to it. Applying a discount in QuickBooks Online is straightforward once you know where to click and what to enter, keeping your financial dealings clear and accurate. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to check back for more tips and guides on managing your QuickBooks tasks.